Hello friends, in this video I'll solve some problems using for loop. These two problems which are in front of you, you have already done, you have already solved this using while loop. Now we'll be using for loop. So here the problem is very simple. You have to add all the numbers from 1 to n using for loop. So in case of while loop, what we did, we have taken one variable sum, assigned it 0, and then every time we incremented I and added it. So here also we'll be saying I is starting from 1, I less than or equal to 5, I not n, the number, and then I plus plus, and then simply say sum is equal to sum plus I. That's it, done. So let us move to the program. So let's say I'm declaring one variable n and I'm taking it from the keyboard, and then using for loop for int I starting with 0 less than n equal to n. So n I should be starting with 1 then, and then I plus plus, and then this sum. Where is sum? I have to declare it. So int sum is equal to 0, and then sum is equal to sum plus I, and then finally I'll be printing this sum. Printf sum is equal to percentage d, and in place of percentage d sum will come. That's it. So if you run this program, so it will be asking for some number, let's say 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 5. Okay, now can I write this int outside, and will this loop work? Let us see. Yes, it will work. Can I increment this inside this particular loop? Will it work? Yes, it will work. So now you know how easy it is to understand what is happening inside a for loop. Okay, so let us take another example. Let us print all the odd numbers from 1 to n. So we'll be using the same procedure here. So let me write this thing inside. Sorry. Okay, there's no point of this, and I have to write all the odd numbers from this. So same logic, if this I is completely divided by 2, then that is even. So I have to check odd numbers. So if I is not divisible by 2, then that means the output, that is, sorry, this is 2. So if the remainder of I when divided by 2 comes out to be a number which is non-zero, then that will be a odd number. So printf percentage d comma I, and then new line, and that's it. So program is over. So what we have done is we have taken the number and then run a loop, and inside the loop we are checking for I whether that I is even or odd. So we are checking for what? Whether it is odd. And that is, if I divide I by 2 and I'm getting a number which is non-zero, then that is an odd number, so that will be printed. So let us run it. So let's say I am interested up to 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they all are odd numbers. So in this way you can use for loop to perform different task or to do task repeatedly. So in this lecture, till this point only. Thank you very much for watching it.